Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to transform live edge wood into shooter trays. When it comes to live edge woodworking, the options that you have are totally endless. The advantage of live edge is I get wood species that traditionally you can't get at the local lumber store, and the advantage of having a CNC router on top of that means that it doesn't matter how warped the board is, I can still totally make it flat and actually use it in the laser, where it's very important to have it there flat because you want a concise engraving and burning quality on the surface of it. The free bonus that we get when we flatten our own boards here at CNCKing.com is that we're also cleaning off the surface of it. So even if it's sun bleached or has years of rain damage or what have you on the surface of it on either side, it doesn't matter because the CNC router just chews all that stuff up and gives us a very nice clean board that doesn't have any problems with it for additional processing. What I want you to notice especially is when we make this shooter tray is that one is being made at a time. Now you might think that's kind of obvious, but the huge advantage to that process is that let's say you wanted one here, this one's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's got 10 holes. and you want another one with 2 holes, another one with 12 holes, and you want another one with a different sort of shape, an oval, or the shape of a dolphin, or what have you. It doesn't really matter to me what you have. The CNC router will make it for you. So that allows a lot of flexibility when it comes to actual production use, because they don't all have to be the same. They don't all have to be the same spec. You can have completely different uses and different sort of design options for every one that we make for you. What I really like about having a woodworking sort of section in the shop here is that we can do things a little bit differently. Generally what we do, we have a vacuum table on the CNC router that works totally great. And so technically what I could do is put a plank of live edge on the CNC router and actually cut it all out and everything's finished in one shot. But I found that sometimes you have other issues when you do that, and the board might move a little bit, then you end up with dings and other problems. Because we have a bandsaw on a bunch of other tools, I could just take off almost everything except maybe, I'd say, 1/16 or roughly 1 or 2 millimeters, and just leave a small ledge all the way around. And then what I could do is use our bandsaw to cut around that and then just sand it flush. And I find the results from that and the predictability of what we're actually making is far harder doing it that way than trying to finish everything with one machine, because we don't have any other machines to finish something with. There you go, and now you know how we go about transforming a plank of live edge into, in this case here, a shooter tray, but that could have been a cutting board, that could have been a coaster, that could have literally been anything that you wanted us to make for you. So if you have a custom application with woodworking, metalworking, or plastic, contact me at CNCKing.com and we'll make it for you.